We're going up a level again, so £930 this intake, and you do just get the intake this time, but as we know from our previous intake tests, Eventuri have always been right up there, a premium intake and great performance gains as well. So
yeah, they did really well in the Civic, really well in the Yaris. I ran one on my own Yaris the whole time that I had it. Well, after we did the intake test anyway, loved it. Made a great noise and made good power. So. And
you're never going to lose that much money on it.
No,
so
I've sold it for almost what I bought it for.
Yeah.
It fitted perfectly. It's just a known good one, isn't it? So.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with an Eventuri. Stickers, you get a point. That is nice. Unboxed, there's not actually much to it, is there, compared to
the other ones?
Some of the others, but you just have a hold of that.
Yeah, it is nice. We've got the typical Eventuri sort of two-piece kits here. So we've got that sort of the intake scoop, and then it just sort of pushes together when it's in the bay. That's absolutely fine. That worked fine on the Yaris. Never chattered or gave me any issues at all. So yeah, that's a proven design. We've got these clips on the top. I guess that retains the standard cooling hose.
Yeah.
So that's good. It's one less thing to worry about. Yeah, we've got these other parts here, which I'm not sure where they fit yet. Obviously, we'll find out. These look like they are parts for the scoop on the top there. We've got this bracket here with these go into. We'll find that out. Again, there's no instructions with it. However, we do have instructions online for it, don't we, I think?
Yeah, no instructions, but we'll be able to find them online. It's good, to be fair. Using less paper, saving a rainforest. Hopefully this one don't take you too long to fit, but it is using the stock inlet hose.
And elbow.
Elbow, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's right.
Just the intake on this one. So I'm interested to see how it does perform and what gains.
Because this is quite a bit smaller than the others that we've seen, isn't it?
Yes.
I mean, obviously, it's the limiting factor. You couldn't make this any bigger because it's the same size as the actual hose, isn't it? So that'll be the limiting factor there.
Do you want to hold it, mate?
Right, so that goes in there like that. That pops in there. We're now. Oh, hang on. We're removing the front grille, mate.
What?
We're removing the front grille. The chap that owns the Golf didn't want us to cut into the grille because he's not sure which intake he's going to have. So we haven't fitted the scoop that it should come with. So if I just show you on the car, we should have basically a neat hole here with a trim and a little red scoop that scoops some more air in that's coming through the radiator grille at the front here to divert more air into here. So I suspect we'd see a bigger gain were we to fit it as designed, basically. That is the Eventuri tested. So we've got the highest result so far, which is 306.5. So what's that giving us, Dave?
That's another 9.1 horsepower over standard.
Yeah, that's really, really good to see from sort of 4,500 RPM onwards, maybe even 4,250. You can see it gains quite a bit, which is really nice to see. And it's especially impressive because we haven't fitted that little scoop as we mentioned when we were actually putting it on. So with that fitted, I can only imagine it'd be higher still. So fair play to Eventuri. They're pretty consistent.
And that's just an intake.
Yeah.
There is no turbo elbow on there or no hose. So team that up with like the Forge all-in-one or the Racing Line.
Yeah, definitely.
We may even see more. We're not going to test that today because Eventuri only do that a bit, but really impressive and kind of cements them. All of these intakes, accessories, inlet elbows, hoses, all available at Tegiwa.com. Thank you to Matt for spending the day with us. It's been a while. It's been a good day. So yeah, thank you for coming down and helping us, Matt. Please like and subscribe. If you need any parts for your MQB platform car, anything like that, check it out at tegiwa.com. Go buy an intake. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.